everyone, Kelly Shaffner here with a great big box, and this box is filled with handbags. So if you want to see what I got in my latest ThredUp mystery box, stick around. If you're new to my channel, hello, I want to welcome you. I'm really glad that you are here, and I sure hope that you'll subscribe and join me for a future video. I love a mystery box, and I was lucky enough to visit the ThredUp website while they had handbags available. Handbags and shoes are my favorite mystery boxes to buy from ThredUp. I have purchased some other boxes that I won't purchase again. I just wasn't as pleased with the pieces that I received. You know what? With the handbags and with shoes, I have always made my money back. In fact, this box today is a 10-piece handbag box, and this cost me $90. There should be 10 pieces, which brings the cost per goods to $9 per handbag. I did try this box. This was my first handbag box, the 10-piece back in August, and I will link that video above if you want to check it out. I just wanted to give you an update about the sales on that first box that I got, because several people have asked about what is my real profit if I source from ThredUp. I'm selling pieces that I receive in these rescue boxes. So I want to go back to that first box that I unboxed, and that box, actually, there were 12 pieces in that box. I didn't even realize it. If you watch my video, I was oblivious to the fact that ThredUp sent me 12 bags. Now, I kept 2 of those bags for myself. I listed 10 bags in my Poshmark closet. I sold all 10 bags, and I made a total of $247 selling those 10 bags. So the average sale price was about $24.70. I did have to pay Poshmark fees, and that is 20%. So when you subtract the 20% fees, I paid Poshmark and the cost of goods, the $90 I paid for that box, I have profited $108 on that first box. Do I think it's worth it? It's about $10 profit on each bag. I think it's worth it. I love opening a mystery box. The experience is fun for me. I was able to profit $10 per bag. I do have 2 bags still. I can list them for sale, and if I get the average sale price of $24 for each of those bags, that will bring my profit to $157. Now, one of the reasons I really enjoy the products I receive from ThredUp is because I get brands that I might not otherwise find in my area, and having a variety of brands seems to bring a new buyer to my closet, and maybe they won't buy the piece that they searched for, but hopefully it will just bring some traffic into my Poshmark closet, and maybe they'll purchase something else I have in there. So that's kind of how I feel about purchasing from ThredUp. I enjoy it, and I've been quite pleased with both the shoes and the handbags. Okay, now let's get into it. This has not been opened, but the tape was very loose. So, all right, guys, this is what the inside of the box looks like. This is very heavy, so I am going to set it on the floor. And this is not actually wrapped around it, but we have quite a bit of tissue paper in this bag, which is nice. At least they protect the bags a little bit. Okay, on the top, we have this bag. This is what it looks like. And this is by the brand Mark. Can you see that? Mark? I don't know. Let me know if you know who that is. And this is what the inside, whoa, that is not a very structured bag, but it looks like this. Let me see. Are you clean? There's a smell. It just smells like thrift store, to be honest with you. I don't know. This is not a leather bag. This is actually a faux leather. It does have feet on the bottom of it. So this is an adjustable shoulder strap, and that is detachable, so that's nice. And then we do have handles on it. So it's a nice color. I don't know. You guys know anything about this brand, Mark? Let me know if you do. Okay, this bag is gorgeous. Okay, this is totally my kind of bag, except it doesn't have much structure. It's a really soft leather bag in a deep red color, but it also has that kind of worn brown leather look contrasting. I like that. So let's see, what does the top look like? Oh, I see a mark. You see that mark right there? That looks like pen. And so it's got 3 compartments. Let's see. There we go. There's 1, 2, looking clean. And how about number 3? Ooh, that's dirty. I don't know if you can see. There are signs of wear in this one. And who is this? Tabitha. Let's see. Tabitha? So this is just a cloth interior, so that will be very easy to clean. So I like this bag a lot. And again, I'm not familiar with the brand, but if this had more structure, I would probably keep it for myself, because yeah, that looks like a Kelly bag. All right, next is something in polka dot. And this one, it feels a little bit cheap. And can you see there's some discoloration right through here? But there's a pocket there and a zip there. And this is just a really flat crossbody in navy. I think that's, is it navy or black? I can't tell. Maybe it's black. And this is the inside. And who are you? Oh, this is Morona. I don't know if I can pull it up so you can see it. Let me see. But anyway, Morona, that's Target. And so that's, I don't know if you can see it, Morona right there. I've sold Morona bags before from my personal closet, and they do sell. People are familiar with them, and hopefully I can just wash this little bit of wear right there. Hopefully that will wipe right off with a wipe. All right, the next bag is a signature Coach crossbody bag, and this is just a tan or tan brown, little bit of leather on it, and the strap is in good condition, adjustable strap with a comfort there for your shoulder. Let's see what the inside looks like. It's got hot pink interior lining, and okay, there's a little bit of dirt in there, but otherwise this one is in pretty good condition. I don't know. I've sold some Coach in my Poshmark closet. It doesn't fetch a whole lot of money, but I know people still really like Coach. So this one looks interesting to me, and this is what this bag looks like, and this is by Tyler Rodan. Let me see if there's an interior tag. Okay, you might be able to see that one better. Tyler Rodan. I think I've seen this one at DSW. So I presume this is not a leather bag. This is probably all man-made materials, but what does the inside look like? So there's some use on the inside. See the inside there? It's pretty lining, kind of a satin type lining. And I guess, is this adjustable? It's gotta be. Okay, there we go. No? Oh, I don't know. Anyway, so we have some zip pockets in the front. Let's see if they work. Looking clean. Yeah, both of them work, so that's nice. It's a cute bag. It's contemporary. It's probably going to fetch me about $24.70. Oh my goodness, look at this one. Look how cute this is. I always think these look like vintage bags, this evening bag, and it does not have sequins on it, but it's very, very sparkly. There is a chain handle and a kiss lock there. What does it look like? Absolutely perfect. This is by the brand Express. Can you see that? Okay, so this one is never used, and let me see. Can I put the chain on the inside? That's a gunmetal chain and hardware. That one is gorgeous. And really a very pretty color as well. It's almost like, it's probably black, but it almost looks like a midnight color. Yeah, I like this one. Okay. Okay, so look at this one. It's a structured, look at that. Look at that little pocket. This bag is old, and you can tell because it's got the cell phone pocket that really now maybe you could put some lippies in there, but that wouldn't hold anybody's phone today. So this is what the bag looks like, and it desperately needs to be shaped. Let's see, what kind of strap do we have? So it's a shoulder strap, and there's a zip on the back. Whoa, and a flat pocket. Yeah, this does not feel like a very high quality bag. That's what the inside looks like, and it looks like it was never used. So it's in pretty good condition. It's probably been stored for a while. Yeah, I bet someone got this one as a gift and didn't use it, maybe. I don't know. But I don't see any markings on this bag. So this is an unbranded bag. I'll probably give it a shot. I don't have anything to lose by listing it, so we'll see how this one does. Okay, next up we have a tote, and it looks like this. Oh my gosh, look how, this is so unusual. Oh, even the bottom, look at that, with the diagonal seam on the bottom. Okay, so this is Kenneth Cole, let me see if I can, it's very soft, Kenneth Cole Reaction. Okay, let me see. We've got 3 compartments, if I'm not mistaken. So a zip on either side. Let me see. Zippers are working. That's what it looks like. That strap is kind of in the way. And then this is the center right there. How does it look? It's all lined in black. It needs to be wiped down, but it's in pretty fair condition. I would say good condition, not fair. And then, oh, look at that, Casey. That's my son's name. My son's name is actually Kenneth Cassidy. So I should take this locket off and give it to him, but he probably would not appreciate it. I like this bag. This is, I don't know, I'll have to check inside. I'll look for tags to see if it's leather. I'm guessing that it's not, but this is in fabulous shape. Again, this is another bag I really like, but it doesn't have structure. I like a structured bag for myself, but I know lots of people enjoy that, and I love that this one is very, very unique. All right, this one is heavy. So this is a heavy quilted bag that needs shaping. Oh my goodness. This one, can you see it? It's a Kate Spade, but it does have wear. It needs to be shaped very, very bad, but you can see on the corners there, can you see there? It's got wear on it. It could be dirt. I will wipe this down with a leather wipe. The inside looks very clean and well cared for. That's what the inside looks like. So we do have the center zip pocket and some card pockets over here, and a zip pocket. Yeah, I thought I saw a stain. No, that is a very clean bag, and it does not have a shoulder strap. It just has, oh, I like this one. This one does need some leather conditioner, but overall, this one's in pretty good shape. Once it's stuffed and cleaned up, I think this is gonna be a lovely bag. There it is. There's the front of the bag. All right, and the next one is a tote bag. This is what it looks like, and this looks brand new. Brand new. Who are you? This is Summer and Rose. There is the tag. Let me see if the inside looks just as good. It does. I mean, this is brand new. And look at, this is really cute with the rope straps there. So yeah, nice little beach bag or pool bags. Okay, so I'm not sure about the brand, but I think the bag is very cute and it's just like new, so I'll take it. And the very last bag in this box is a bright, I would call this a cobalt blue canvas bag. Oh my gosh. It is a Tory Burch. Let's see, are you in good shape? So this is going to be so easy to clean, but it doesn't need much cleaning at all. That's what the inside looks like, and the straps and the contrast are all in this cobalt I'm gonna call it cobalt blue, and it's patent leather, which I absolutely love. You can see there is the Tory logo. Very, very nice. I think that I should count the bags right now. We'll go over everything. I did get this Tory Burch canvas bag, the Summer and Rose tote bag that is just like new, the Kate Spade bag. It needs a little shaping, a little cleaning up, but it is a Kate Spade. Next up, one of my favorites is the Kenneth Cole tote bag. That's just a little bit unique. The unbranded handbag with the little bitty cell phone pocket there. I got that one. And then I got this one, this evening bag by Express with the gunmetal chain on it. I like this one too. This is a great box. This one was the Tyler Roden bag, and oh, I'm not counting. Are you guys counting for me? This is the Coach crossbody and the Morona polka dot bag. Oh yeah, and then this red leather Tabitha bag that I think is so sweet. And the final bag was this little brown bag that by the brand Mark. Again, I don't know about Mark. I know this isn't Marc Jacobs. Yeah, it's not leather. I can tell that much. So that's 11 bags. And okay, so I'll take it. I got a little bonus. I don't know why or how that happened, but I'll take it. That means I can actually select one of the bags for myself and wear it for a while. I really appreciate that. If it was you, which bag would you choose to wear for a while? I don't know. This is going to be a hard decision for me because I like several of the bags for different reasons. I do appreciate that they send a wide variety of bags. And like I said, I've got some homework to do now because I'm not familiar with all of the brands that they sent, but I do enjoy diving into that and learning about new brands and where they come from and what they're worth. So the point is, I enjoyed the ThredUp mystery boxes, and hopefully I'll be able to make a little profit on this. I will update you in the future and let you know how these bags are doing. Thank you so much for joining me once again. Again, leave it in the comments and let me know which bag is your favorite. And let me know, are you sourcing from ThredUp right now? I check that website 3 or 4 times a day looking for shoes and handbags. Please, if you see the shoes or the handbags or the designer box, if you see that, leave a message for me because I would love to get my hands on another shoes, handbags, or a designer box. Guys, thank you so much for spending some of your day with me today. It's always a pleasure. Subscribe if you haven't done so already. Thumbs up if you enjoyed the video, and I'll see you in the next one. Bless.